Hi everyone, my name is Sonali and this is Translate.Video. Today I'm going to show you how you can translate a Russian video to English in just few clicks. So I'm going to leave the link of this website in the description below, so you can go ahead and click on it. So you get, once you get to this page, just put your email ID right here and click on get started. And after filling in your details, you will get to this page. This is your dashboard, and I'm just quickly going to show you the process of how you can translate any Russian video to English. So whatever file that you have, Russian file, it needs to be either downloaded, so it should be in your laptop or PC. You can click here and you can upload the file, or you can drag it here as well. So I'll just click here and show you how that goes. Select the file, click on open, and now click on proceed. So source language is whatever language your video is in originally. So ours is in Russian, so we're gonna select Russian. And the target language is whatever language you want to translate your video to. So if I want to translate my Russian video to English, which is what we're trying to do right here, so we're gonna select English. And you can also select different voices if you want, and you can listen to the demo of the voices from here.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Now just click on translate. So I already have a pre-processed video, and after your video is done processing, this is how it will look like. And as you can see here, if you want to listen to the original video, what you can do is you can click on this toggle and it will play the Russian video. So this is how the original looks like.
Всем привет! С вами канал Russian with Dasha. Меня зовут Даша, и сегодня у меня на канале.
Now, if you want to listen to the dubbed version of it, because the AI automatically creates the dubbed version from the very beginning, and if you want, you can edit the transcript. If you want, you can make changes. I can write Sonali, and I can press enter. And if you don't want this, you can just let it be. Now, so if you want to make changes in the transcript, you can do that from here. Or if you don't want to make any changes, you can just let it be. And if you want to listen to the translated version, dubbed version, just click on this toggle, click to play English, and just click on play.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Russian with Dasha. My name is Dasha and today I have a wonderful guest.
So this is how you can dub any Russian video to English in just few clicks. And if you want, you can export the video from here, from the top right, and just select the resolution, select the video language, and simply click on export, and that's it. Your video is dubbed in English from Russian.